Today we are going to discuss quadratic equations, finding the roots of a quadratic equation by method of factorization and by formula method. So first we are going to discuss finding roots of a quadratic equation by the method of factorization. Okay, so take an example. Solve 2x square minus 11x plus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Compare this quadratic equation with the general form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a equals to x square coefficient, b equals to x coefficient, c equals to constant. So in the method of factorization, we need to find two numbers p and q. We need to find two numbers p and q. Two numbers p and q such that sum of the two numbers, sum of p and q, that means p plus q is equals to x coefficient p, and their product p into q is equals to a into c. So we need to find two numbers p and q such that their sum p plus q equals to b, the x coefficient, p into q equals to a into c, x square coefficient into constant one. So here b equals to minus 11, a into c, 2 into 12 is equals to 20. Now take product of a and c, 24, and divide 24 into two numbers. So here 24 we can write minus 3 into minus 8. So p equals to minus 3, q equals to minus 8. Therefore, what is p plus q? Minus 3 plus of minus 8, that is minus 11, which is equals to p. P into q, minus 3 into minus 8, minus into minus plus 24, which is equals to a into c. That means split the middle term in the given quadratic equation into two terms, whose sum equals to p plus q, whose product equals to p into q. Is it clear? So now, how to split the middle term? So now consider 2x square minus 11x plus 12 is equals to 0. So here minus 11 we can write minus 3 plus of minus 8. Minus 3 plus of minus 8. That means 2x square minus 3x minus 8x, whose sum equals to minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. Now consider first two terms. We can take x is a common. X is common. That means x is a factor. Okay now. So x into 2x minus 3. And from these two terms, minus 4 will divide. Minus 4 2s are 8. Minus into minus 4 into minus 3. So we can take minus 4 is common. 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Again, 2x minus 3 is common. Into x minus 4 is equals to 0. So what I did here, given quadratic equation, I express into product of two linear factors. Product of two linear factors. So now each linear factor is equals to 0. 2x minus 3 equals to 0, or x minus 4 equals to 0. If 2x minus 3 is equals to 0, then 2x equals to 3. Then x equals to 3 by 2. Or x equals to 4. So 3 by 2 and 4 are roots of the given quadratic equation. Now, second method, formula method. That means here we are going to find a formula to find roots of the quadratic equation. For that, I consider general form of the quadratic equation. Okay, so what is general form of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. So in this process, first you write the constant term to RHS. Plus c right in RHS, then ax square plus bx is equal to minus c. Now multiply both sides. By 4a. Multiply both sides by 4a such that LHS 4a into ax square plus bx RHS minus 4ac. Now multiply with 4a. 4a square x square plus 4abx is equals to minus 4ac. Now reduce LHS in a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Here second term is plus, so we can convert this into a plus b whole square. So how we will convert? 4a square x square we can write 2ax whole square. 4abx 2ab form, that means 2 into 2ax into b is equals to minus 4ax. Now let it be a and then a square plus 2ab. We need to add b square on both sides. So add b square on both sides so that LHS becomes a perfect square, a plus b whole square. So 2ax whole square plus 2 into 2ax into b. Now add b square on LHS, b square on RHS. See, now observe a square plus 2ab plus b square. So exactly this is a plus b whole square. 2ax plus b whole square is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now take square root on both sides, then 2ax plus b is equals to, while taking square root we need plus or minus, square root of b square minus 4ac. Now write plus b RHS. 2ax equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. So in this equation we need to find x, dividing both sides by 2a. Therefore x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is the formula to find roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Since every quadratic equation have at most 2 roots, every quadratic equation has at most 2 roots. So here plus or minus, so we can divide into 2 roots. That means let x1 equals to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. x2 equals to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a are the 2 roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay. Find roots of 2x square minus 11x plus 12 equals to 0 by formula method. Just now only we discussed the formula method. Okay. So first you write this quadratic equation 2x square minus 11x plus 12 equals to 0. Compare with general form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 such that a equals to 2x square coefficient, b equals to minus 11, x coefficient, c equals to 12, constant term. Now write the formula for roots of the quadratic equation. X equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute a value, b value, c value. Minus b equals to minus 11 plus or minus square root of b square minus 11 whole square minus 4 into a into c by 2a, 2 into 2. Now simplify. Minus into minus plus. So 11 plus or minus 11 whole square 121 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 12s are 96 by 2 2s are 4. Simplify. 11 plus or minus square root of 121 minus 96, 25 by 4. 25 is a perfect square, then its square root is equals to 5. Therefore, x equals to 11 plus or minus 5 by 4. Since plus or minus, that means there are two roots. So, x equals to 11 plus 5 by 4 or x equals to 11 minus 5 by 4. 11 plus 5, 16 by 4. Cancel 4 times. So x equals to 4. 4 cancel 4 times. Here 11 minus 5, 6 by 4. 2 cancel denominator 2 times. Here 3 times. X equals to 3 by 2. Are the roots of the quadratic equation by formula method. So now let us consider a quadratic equation with roots alpha and beta. A quadratic equation with roots alpha and beta. Okay. So let alpha and beta are roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 such that alpha equals to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, beta equals to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now sum of the roots, sum of the roots. That means we need to add alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta. What is alpha? Minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a plus beta minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now simplify by taking LCM. 2a. Since same denominators, add numerators directly. Therefore, minus b plus root b square minus 4ac minus b minus root b square minus 4ac. So once you observe the numerator, plus root b square minus 4ac minus root b square minus 4ac cancel. Minus b minus 2b by 2a. 2 cancel. Minus b. This is a sum of the roots alpha plus beta, and we can define this as minus ratio between what is b from the equation x coefficient. B is a x coefficient by a is a x square coefficient from the equation. So sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is minus b by a and is defined as minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. Now product of the roots. Product of the roots. That means alpha into beta. alpha into beta. So multiply alpha and beta. Minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a into minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in this product, once you observe the numerator, minus b plus root b square minus 4ac minus b minus root b square minus 4ac. That means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So numerator we can write. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. That means minus b whole square minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole square. A square minus b square by 2a into 2a 4a square. Minus b whole square is b square minus of square root, square get cancelled, b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now simplify. B square minus b square minus into minus plus 4ac. So minus b square plus 4ac by 4a square. B square minus b square cancel is equals to 4ac by 4a square. Again 4 cancel. ac by a square. Again a cancel. That equals to c by a. C by a. That means product of the roots alpha into beta is equals to c by a is defined as c is nothing but a constant term, a is x square coefficient. Now the next topic is quadratic equation with roots alpha and beta is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation when we know the roots of the quadratic equation. So for example, find a quadratic equation whose roots 3 by 2 and 4. 3 by 2 is one root, 4 is another root. Then find a quadratic equation with these two are the roots. So let alpha equals to 3 by 2, beta equals to 4. Then this is the formula. So first to find the sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta. 3 by 2 plus 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 3. 11 by 2. Similarly, alpha into beta. 3 by 2 into 4. 2 cancel 2 times. 3 2s are 6. Substitute alpha plus beta, alpha beta in this formula. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation with roots alpha and beta, where alpha plus beta sum of the roots 11 by 2 into x, alpha beta product of the roots 6. Since it is a rational number, take LCM of the denominator. LHS 2 is LCM. 2x square minus 11x is same denominators 2. So minus 11x plus 2 6 are 12 is equals to 0. No cross multiply. 2x square minus 11x plus 12 equals to 0 is the required quadratic equation with roots 3 by 2 and